Instant light from all robots. We got.
It's fine, it's fine. No, it's not fine.
We got Edgemont immediately scoring in there. Blue Lights is scoring in
Oh, nice, nice,
all
nice.
9 of their artifacts. Like a recent lead. They're going to unleash them. Robo Raiders is going to be throwing them back in, back and forth. Picked up 3 more. That would be 6 for the blue line, 6 for the red line, so it looks like here. Edgemont throwing 1, 2. Looks like a third one got stuck. All 4 bots off the lead lines there, helping to contribute towards what could be a move ranking point. Ranking points will be part of the game because ranking is tradition to the elimination tournament. Once it's begun, nothing more on rank, although the special scoring conditions do still exist. We have FTA and the Red Alliance. The Scarsdale sends 2 or 3 homes now. The blue classifier on rank. Fulton takes 1, 2 long shots from across the field as Westbelt comes up on the near side goal, fires 2, misses both. We've got Edgemont. They're 11-2-0 out of the red classifier for commissions as they line up. They're going to get those fans. They do a quick succession, went 3 up, 3 down, cleared the gate again. Let's see if they can reload with that active intake. Meanwhile, West Fulton on the audience side triangle. 1, 2, 3. Steady, ready, go for the team. 2-7-2-3-5 from the way up north. They want Scarsdale. 12-2-3-1. Everything's good. Nice and going. Hard contact from Westbelt. We've got artifacts all over the board. Scarsdale. Wiggles. Off the box. On the ramp. Most of the artifacts are over here on the red line side. So they're going to have a lot of robots who come in and out.
West Fulton, stop shooting.
Fine. Looks like Edgemont might be... Oh, never mind, they're back.
Sure.
Edgemont's back and they're shooting. Apparently missed those 2, though.
I'm holding it open, I'm holding it open. Wait,
Now it looks like the Robo Raiders have also been seen, so maybe we need a...
Yes, good. Now it's cycle.
Now it looks like we need to...
Keep it going. Yeah. Just park when the time comes. It's okay. No. It's okay, park.
We're going to try to have maybe 2 partials here.
It's okay. We're not.
Oh, it was a lot that happened.
Why did we DC?
Scarsdale's DC'd over here on the blue goal, and that's uncharacteristic for them. They've been driving hard all day long. Hopefully they can work that out. They'll certainly be a contender as we get to Alliance selections and more.